Hello everyone. Hello. Hope you all are doing good. And yeah. um, okay. So yeah. Yeah. So having joined to the stream, we can start the stream in 1 minute. Before that, mm, we are having exams. Oxford National Lecture Examination conducts paper one and paper two in this month, and I know paper one already. Yeah, over, and I hope everyone done well in paper one. And if you didn't got that much mark or if you didn't perform that well in paper one, don't worry. Here I am to help you for paper two. And for max paper two, there are so many previous question paper in Oxford National site and you will sometimes get that from your teachers. And you can solve those questions. And here I am for more questions. And yeah, these questions are from similar board as it's from AQA. And this question will help you to crack paper 2. And I guarantee you that you will at least get 80 plus mark, more than 90 if you tried well in paper 2. And yeah, here I am to help you. And if you need any assistance, you can message me in the mail that are given in the description. And if you need any assistance like tutoring or yeah, personal tutoring, anything you can just message me. I will do that. Yeah, I will help you. Okay. There are many experienced teachers who works with me, so I can come them with you. And yeah, that's all about the introduction. Let's move to the questions. This previous question paper. This yeah June 2022 question paper, and here you can see that this is from AQA. This is a high type paper 3, high type question paper, and yeah, this June 2022 question paper 2. Okay, so let's move on to first question. This is MCQ type question. So just read the question carefully. Circle the smallest number. Take your time. Okay, I will do this. So circle the smallest number. What you got? I have you got 4.301. If you didn't got this one, I will tell you how I got 4.301. Here, 4.31 is here and 4.3 is here. So 4.31 is obviously greater than 4.3. So 4.3, no, not like that. Yeah. Here, there is a small dot above 4.3. That means it is 4.333. It's recurring. So it is 4.33. And this is 4.31 only. And this will continue like that. So it is only 4.31. So it is 4.31 and it is 4.3333. So this one will be obviously greatest and this is smallest. Okay. And yeah, we got 4.31 is smallest. And we can compare this with this. 4.301 and 4.31. 4.31 or 4.301. Here the second decimal is 1. Here the second decimal is 0. So obviously 4.301 is smallest. And we can check that with 4.33. Here the second decimal is 3. Here the second decimal is 0. So obviously 4.301 is the smallest. So we got the first one. 4.301 is the smallest. Okay. Next one from matrix. Okay, you can do the other questions. Yeah, I will show the questions. Do the first five questions. Okay, I'm in a class, so I can do the class right now. Okay, so 16th question. Here is a here is a scale drawing of a reservoir. Scale 1 centimeter represent 500 meter. And Viral wants to estimate the volume of water in reservoir. He draws on the scale drawing a circle with radius 3 centimeter. Okay. Viral estimate the volume of reservoir by assuming that the reservoir is a cylinder whose cross section is circle. The depth of the reservoir is 17 meter. Okay. What could the Viral estimate in cubic meters? Okay. So, uh, yeah, sir, 3 into 500, 1500. So, to get the volume of cylinder, we need pi r square, right? So, uh, 3 into 500, okay, 1500 is the radius. Okay, converted 3 centimeter into meter. So, 1500 is the radius. Next, yeah, pi r square 1500 square into pi into 17, which is equal to, okay, we got a very huge value, right? So, estimate in cubic meters. So, approximately, we'll get, yeah, 120 million. അല്ലേ? Yeah, that's correct. So moving to 16b. In fact, the depth of the reservoir is 13.8 meter. The reservoir is not a cylinder. This statement about the actual volume of reservoir is correct. So in that case, okay. It is less than Virat's estimate or it is greater than Virat's estimate. അതെന്താണ് ഞാൻ ചെയ്തത്? ഉം, ഉം. Okay. ലെസ് ദാൻ എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു ഗ്രേറ്റർ ദാൻ ആണ് നോക്കി ലെസ് ദാൻ ഗ്രേറ്റർ. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. അതായത് നമ്മളോട് ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളത് 13.8 ആണെങ്കിൽ 17 മീറ്റർ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ആ ഒരു assumption ആണ് ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളത് അല്ലേ? ഉം. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ ഗ്രേറ്റർ ദാൻ ആവും ആൻഡ് ലെസ് ദാൻ ആവും. ബിക്കോസ് ഇവിടെ ഇപ്പം ലെസ് ദാൻ ആണ്, ബട്ട് ആ ഒരു ഷേപ്പ് ഈസ് ഗ്രേറ്റർ ദാൻ ദ സർക്കിൾ. ഇറ്റ് ക്യാൻ ബി ഗ്രേറ്റർ ദാൻ ഓൾസോ. ഓക്കെ. സോ 17th one. In a video game, players make their own character. They choose one of each from 8 faces, 4 bodies, 5 hairstyles. How many different characters can be made? 8 into 4 into 5, that is 20 into 8, 160. Okay, right. And how many that we got? Two characters are made at random. What is the probability that they are exactly the same? 1 over 160. That's also correct. Okay. A, B, and C are points on circle center O. DC is a tangent to the circle. Show that angle ABO is to angle ACO equal to 3 is to 1. Okay, okay, okay. Mm, yes. Okay, നല്ലൊരു മെത്തേഡാണ്. That's correct. So angle OCA we get 7 degree, and this is 28, and BOC now get to 56, and reflex is 304. 304 plus 35, which is equal to 339. Remaining is 21. So 7 and 21 are in the ratio 1 is to 3 or 3 is to 1. ABO is to ACO. Okay, that's correct. And moving to 19th one, here is the plan of the floor on of an L-shaped room. All length are in meters. Okay, the area of the floor is 75 meters square. Area of the floor. Okay. So that x square plus x minus 90 equal to 0. Okay, x minus 5 times x plus 1. Okay, the shape is 5 times x minus 2. Okay, that's correct. Hmm. Okay, 75. Okay, that's correct. Hmm. Nice one. So we can move on to 19b. By factorizing x square plus x minus 9, what are the value of x? That's correct. And x can be negative, so x equal to 10, 9. Yeah, because length can be in a negative value. And ഈ question ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ശ്രദ്ധിച്ച് നോക്കി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ you can find a small loophole there. Work out the value of x, not values of x. Okay, so that means there is only one value. Work out the value of x. 20th question, 2%. Okay, okay, that's also correct. So first percentage increase കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു, that is rate of interest. So that is 2%. പിന്നെ അവന്റെ കോമ്പൗണ്ട് ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റിന്റെ ഫോർമുലയിൽ സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. 1.02 whole raised to 4 into 2448. 2649.7. That's okay. So can do from 21 to 25. Okay. Now we can do this. Okay. So moving to the second question, I will just do it in a second. So work out minus 4, 8, minus 3, minus 2. So this is a question from vector, you can say matrix or anything else like that. So here minus 4 minus 3, which is minus 7. 8 minus 2, which is 6 plus 2, that is 10. So our answer is minus 7, 10. And move to the third question. Okay, minus 7, 10. Move to the third question. Here are four scatter graphs. Okay, there are four scatter graphs. For which graph is a straight line best fit appropriate? So in which graph we can draw a straight line. Here is the shape of a parabola. That's not correct. And that's the shape of a this is incorrect. Here, okay. Here it is a shape of this now shape. Here it is the shape of a line. So we can say D. Each graph we has an outlier. So here there's no outlier. Everything is scattered. Here also there's no outlier, but here there's a one outlier. Okay, so the graph is B. Okay, moving to the fourth one. Use the denominator to work out the size of angle x. Angle x. So we can take the tan of x. So tan x equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is 10. So 10 by adjacent is 4. So which is tan x equal to 10 by 4 is 5 by 2. Therefore x equal to tan inverse 5 by 2. Use your calculator to find tan inverse 5 by 2. Uh, Here there is some value 62 something. I check. Minute. Yeah, 68.2. That's correct. So 68.5. Moving to the next one. Laura works in a shop. The table shows the number of hours she works on the weekend. Weekend one, weekend two. What was the percentage increase in her total hours from weekend one to weekend? So in weekend one, the total hours is 3 plus 2, that is 5. 3 plus 2 equal to 5 hours, week one. And in week two, so week one, and here in week two, the total hour is 5 1 by 2 plus 3 1 by 2. Use your calculator, you get 5 plus 3 8 and half and half 1. So 9 hours. Okay. Now the increase percentage is you can say from 5 to 9, that is 4 hours. So I can say 9 minus 5 equal to 4 hour increase. Okay, the difference is 4 hours. So how we can find the percentage increase? Difference, that is change in value divided by original value. Original value is 5. 4 by 5 into 100. 4 by 5 into 100 can do this in calculator, you will get 80 percentage. 80 percentage. Answer is 80. And move to the sixth one. Here is a sketch of the curve y equal to x square minus 4x minus 5. Write two roots of x square minus 4x minus 5 equals 0. Two roots means the point in which the graph touches the x-axis. That is minus 1 and 5. So minus 1 and 5. Work out the coordinates d, the turning point of the curve. To get the turning point of the curve, you can do multiple ways to do this question. You can use the complete the square method, or we can do the gradient method. So yeah, just differentiate this y equal to x square minus 4x 5. You will get y dash. That is y dash equal to x square minus 4x minus 5. When we differentiate it, we will get 2x minus 4. So at any point, y dash will become 0. That gives 2x minus 4 equal to 0, which in fact gives 2x equal to 4 and x equal to 4 by 2, that is 2. We'll get x equal to 2. So the x coordinate is 2. We need to find the corresponding y coordinate. Just substitute 2 here. Don't put 2 in y dash. That is y dash. We need the y. So put 2 here. You will get 2 square, that is 4, minus 4 by 2, that is 8, minus 5, which is equal to minus 9. Okay. So our answer is 2 minus 9. Find the x from y dash and substitute that in y. And move to the seventh question. As in arithmetic progression, here are the first four terms 13, 16, 19, 22. So the nth term, we can say Tn equal to 3n plus, that is plus 3. The common difference is plus 3n plus 10. Okay, let's check this is correct or not. If n equal to 1, 3 plus 10, that is 13. If n equal to 6 plus 10, that is 16. Okay, this one is correct. And the G is a geometric progression. Here is the first four terms 2, 4, 8, 16, and the nth term, that's 30n equal to 2 raised to n. Okay, if you put 1, we will get 2. If you put 2, we will get 2 square, that is 4. If you put 3, we will get 2 cube, that is 8. If nth term of A equal to 8th term of G, which means here we can say 3n plus 10, which is equal to 2 raised to 8. So 2 raised to 8, we know it is 256. So we can say 3n plus 10 is equal to 256. So in fact gives 3n equal to 246. That is n equal to 246 by 3, which is equal to n equal to 82. Moving to the eighth question. Information about two fridges, fridge freezers A and B shown. Total capacity is 330 liters. Fridge capacity is 2. Freezer capacity equal to 3 is to 2. Fridge capacity is 294 liters. For B and fridge capacity is 2. Freezer capacity 7 is to 3. Okay. So total capacity 330 liter. So to find the freezer capacity, freezer is 2 out of 3 plus to 5. So we can say 2 out of 5 into 330, which in fact gives 66 into 2, 132 liters. You can do it in your calculator and move to the fridge capacity 294. Here, read carefully, it is fridge capacity. So that's 294 liters. Out of it, it is 7. 294 represents 7. So to get what is 3 is, we can do this one. 3 by 7 into 294. What we have done here. So the 7 part is 294. Okay, so divide 294 by 7, we will get 1 part. And multiply it with 3, we will get the freezer capacity. Here, what is it? 3 by 7 into 294. What do we get? 280 by 7, that is 40. 42, 42 into 3, 126. 126. So sure, 132 liter is yeah, greater. Okay. So question, let's take our question. We have to do the works here first. Find the fridge capacity, freezer capacity here, total capacity, and do that here for A, same for B. You eventually find A have more freezer capacity. And moving to the ninth question, Tom and Adil are two runners in 200-meter race. Tom complete the race in 24 seconds. Adil complete the race at an average speed of 28.8 kilometers per hour. Who win the race? Either you can convert this 28.8 kilometer into meter per second. That is 28.8 into 5 by 18, which gives 144.18. Okay, 144 divided by 18, which is equal to 8. 8 meter per second. So to complete 200-meter race, Adil needs how many seconds? 200. So these are the speed. Adil's speed of Adil in meter per second. So time of Adil, we need distance
Hello
by
sir, ഞാൻ
speed, which is
send
200
ചെയ്തിരുന്നു.
by 8, which gives 25 seconds, which is greater than who? Tom. So Tom win the race. Okay. So move to the 10th question. After this, we'll come back. The mass of a baby is 3.6 kilometer to 1 decimal place. What is the error interval for the mass in kilogram? So the lower limit is 3.5. So 3.5 less than or equal, greater than or equal, less than or equal to mass less than or equal to 3.65. Not equal to. Okay, this one will be the correct one. Okay, because 3.65 is not included there. This one is correct. So we will do 11 to 15 in the next section. So hello, Yamin. Hello, hello. Okay.
Hello sir.
20 questions എല്ലാം നമ്മൾ complete ചെയ്തല്ലേ? You can move to 21.
Ah,
Use the sine rule to work out the size of angle X. So sine A by A equal to sine B by B. So what you got?
ഇതാ ചെയ്തത് 17/sin x equals 25.6, 25.6, 41.61 degrees.
41.61 degree. That's correct. And move to 22. F of x equal to 3x and g of x equal to yeah. അതിന്റെ ആൻസർ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു?
അത് ഞാൻ ജസ്റ്റ് 3x squared ആക്കി. x squared ഞാൻ എന്താ പറയാ 3x
ഇപ്പം f of g of x ൽ substitute x x square root. So you will get 3x square. Okay, this answer correct. And moving to 23. There are two simultaneous equations y equal x square plus 7x minus c and y equal to 3x plus d. There is a solution when x equal to 5. What about the value of c plus d? So
So
at
आज ये 5
x
substitute
equal to
ചെയ്ത്
5.
25 plus 35 minus c.
Mm.
So substitute ചെയ്ത് ഇപ്പോൾ y equals 60 minus 6 പിന്നെ y equals 15 plus d അത് രണ്ട് ഈക്വൽ ആണ്. So
Equal.
അതുകൊണ്ട്
Okay.
60 minus c equals 15 plus d. Okay,
Which
അതുകൊണ്ട്
equals
c plus d equals 45. ഒരു ചോദിച്ചത് വർക്കൗട്ട്
that's correct.
45.
C is 45. And moving to 24. Here is a sketch
Wait,
of
sir,
the
ഒരു
graph.
question ഉണ്ട്. Two
Yes.
simultaneous equations equal ആണ്.
Uh,
എപ്പോഴും ഈക്വൽ ആ.
Full equal ആവുന്നില്ല. അവരുടെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിൽ പറയാം. If like two equations are equal, sometimes a curve or line equations are equal. അങ്ങനെ അവരുടെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിൽ പറയും. But 99% of time simultaneous equations in the question paper വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ they are equal.
Okay, okay.
So just
Okay, sir.
equate both, you will get the answer.
Okay.
And moving to 24. Here is a sketch of the graph y equal to k raised to x and y equal to x square plus c. K and c are positive constant. Okay. What is the value of r? So at point 2 comma p, both equations are equal.
So that is the 81 equals k to the power 4 ചെയ്ത് ആദ്യം സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്ത്
Okay.
കെയുടെ വാല്യൂ കിട്ടാൻ അത് 3 കിട്ടിയത്.
correct.
പിന്നെ അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ആ 3 കെ ആൻഡ് സി കോൺസ്റ്റന്റ് ആണ്. സോ കെ അതുകൊണ്ട് 3 തന്നെ ആവും. പിന്നെ y ഈക്വൽസ് 3 സ്ക്വയർഡ് 9 ആണ്. സോ പിന്റെ ആൻസർ 9 ആണ്.
Yeah.
പിന്നെ അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് അത് രണ്ടും സെയിം ആണല്ലോ, സെയിം ഇക്വേഷൻസ് ആണല്ലോ രണ്ടും.
അതെ.
2 and 9
രണ്ടും value
കോർഡിനേറ്റ്സ്.
equal
സോ അതുകൊണ്ട് 9 so then 9 equals 2 squared plus c, 9 equals 4, c equals 5 ആണ്. So c constant ആണ് 5 ആണ് എപ്പോഴും. So so അതുകൊണ്ട് 43.44 equals x squared plus 5 and minus 5 38.44 equals x squared square root ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ 6.2 കിട്ടിയത് ആൻസർ. r equals 6.2.
Okay, that's good. Okay, നല്ല വർക്കായിരുന്നു. So moving to 25th question. A company makes tubes of toothpaste. The mass of 80 tubes are checked. A histogram is drawn to represent the data. Okay, mass of 80 tubes. The company makes 28,000 tubes each day. Estimate how many tubes each day have mass less than 122 grams.
സോ ഞാൻ ഫസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തെന്താ അറിയോ, 122 ഗ്രാംസിൽ ഈ ഗ്രാഫിൽ ഈ ഗ്രാഫിൽ കാണിക്കുന്ന ഈ ഡേറ്റയിൽ കാണിക്കുന്ന 80 ട്യൂബ്സിന്റെ. സോ 122 ലെസർ ദാൻ 122 ആണ്. സോ ഈ ഫസ്റ്റ് 110 to 120 ആകെ എന്തോ 0.6 ആണ്. അവിടെ 0.6 times 10 ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. 120 minus 100 10 ആയി 10 ആണ്. സോ 0.6 times 10 അത് 6 ട്യൂബ്സ് ആ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇത് കാണുന്നത്. പിന്നെ സെക്കൻഡില് നമുക്ക് ആകെ ലെസ് ദാൻ 122. സോ ഞാൻ ജസ്റ്റ് 122ന്റെ ലെസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള 2 ആണ്. 122 minus 2 ആണ്. പിന്നെ അതിന്റെ ഹൈറ്റ് 4 ആണ്. സോ 2 times 4 8 plus 6 14 ട്യൂബ്സ് ഉണ്ട്. So 14 over 8 equals x over 28,000. 28,000 each day ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നത്. So അതുകൊണ്ട് 14 divided by 8 80 0.175 and 0.175 times 28,000 4,900.
4 times 4 എങ്ങനെ?
ഇത് 4 times 2 ഓ
4 times
ഏതാ സർ? അത് 122 less than 122 ആണല്ലോ. So 122 minus 120 ഇല്ലേ, ആ
Mm.
ചെറിയ രണ്ട് പോയിന്റ് എടുത്തിട്ടുള്ളൂ ഈ
Okay.
സെക്കൻഡ് റെക്ടാങ്കിൾ കാണുന്നത്.
Okay.
അത്
About all
സെക്കൻഡ്
okay.
ആകെ ആ രണ്ട് ട്യൂബ്. ആ അതുകൊണ്ട് 8 കിട്ടിയത്. സോ 8 plus 6 14 ട്യൂബ്സ്. പിന്നെ 14/80 0.175 പിന്നെ 0.175 times 28,000. So 4,900 tubes.
4,900. That's good.
New 26 and okay, ഇനി രണ്ട് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് കൂടിയുള്ളൂ. കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം.
നമ്മൾ 25th അല്ലേ ചെയ്തത്?
ആ 25th. New 26 and 27.
രണ്ട് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് കൂടിയാണ്. So we can move to our question. So 11th one. A collider has angle 70, 110, 130, and 50. Circle the possible type of collider. Here it can be a kite because kite have two angles equal. So there is no angle equal, so it can be kite. Parallelogram have pairs of angles equal. Therefore, this can be a parallelogram. Rhombus have pairs of angles equal, so this can be a rhombus. Trapezium is the only answer. And 12, B is 6 km due to south of A and 6 km due to west of C. Work out the bearing of A from C. So A from C. Okay. So we have to find this angle. So this isosceles rectangle triangle, therefore 45, 45, 90. So this is 45, this is 45, this is 90, and this is 45. So this angle is 360 minus 45, which is equal to 315 degree. Okay. And moving to 12B, here is a circle drawing. A ship is going to sail from D to E. D to E. D to E. May I record that the ship need to sail on a bearing of 68 degree. So why must be wrong? So this can be a 68 degree. It can be angle like this. So it is must be greater than 180. So can be 68 degree. That's our answer. Simplify root 5 plus root 5, which is 2 times root 5. That is 2 root 5. Student in two classes A and B raised money for charity. The box plot for class A is shown in the grid. Class A, class B. The lowest amount was $3. So we can write $3 somewhere 0, 1, 2, 3. So lowest amount is $3. Drawing here. Okay. Out the here 1, 2, 3. And highest amount was 26. So 26 is here. And the lower total was $11. So 11 is here. Okay. And the median was 2 greater than the A median. So median here, so 2 greater than that is here. That is 40. The interquarter range is 1.5 times greater than the A class interquarter range. So if the interquarter range is 16, 1670. No, interquarter range is, yeah, yeah. 11 to, yeah, it is 9 to 70, that is 8. So 1.5 greater than means 12. So from 11 to 11 plus 12, that's 23 here. So interquarter till 23. Because the interquarter range for A is 8, so the interquarter range of B is 12. So you can draw this one. And moving to the 15th one, a town has a population density of 278 people per kilometer square. Population density, a population of 158, 460. And to find the area, we can do one thing: 158, 460 divided by 278, which is in fact is 570. 570 kilometer square is the area, and the population increases to 168, 720. So what is the population density? So to get population density, we can do one thing: population by area. Population is 168, 720 divided by 570. You can do that in your calculator. I will do that in my calculator. I guess 168, 720 divided by 570, which is 296. 290 is people per kilometer square. Okay, move to the 16th one. There is a scale drawing of reservoir. 1 centimeter represents 500 meter. Where wants to estimate the volume of water in reservoir. He draws a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Okay. We estimate the volume of reservoir by assuming that the reservoir is a cylinder whose cross section is a circle. The depth of the reservoir is 17 meter. What could the estimate in cubic meter? So here the radius of this circle is 3 centimeter. So 1 centimeter represents 500 meter, which in fact gives the radius of the reservoir, the cylindrical reservoir circle radius is 1 centimeter, 3 centimeter into 500, which gives 1500 meter. So the volume of the cylinder we know it is pi r square h, which in fact gives pi into 1500 square into h is 17 meter because the depth. So that will give 17 into 1500 into 3.14 1500 square. Okay, which gives 1201050. Okay. In fact, the depth of the reservoir is 13.8 meter. The depth
Yeah,
is
so the kg.
this. The reservoir is not cylinder. This statement about the actual volume of the reservoir is correct. So the depth is reduced, therefore the volume must be less than. But actually, volume is less. But the circle is not is the actual shape of the reservoir, so it can be greater also. So my answer here is could be less than or greater than the Villa estimate. And we can do the
Hello,
remaining
sir.
questions in a minute. Hello, Yamin. Hello, hello.
Yes, Sandeep.
Okay, okay, okay.
Hello,
Got it.
hello.
So,
Okay.
26th question, right? Work on the lowest common multi. Okay, where is the question? Okay. Q and R are two numbers as a product of prime factors. 2 raised to 3 into 3 into AQ. R equal to 2 raised to 4 into 3 square into A square. The highest common factor of Q and R is 4056. What about the value of A?
So ഞാൻ ചെയ്ത് അന്ന് സാറ് പറഞ്ഞില്ല ലൈക്ക് ലോവസ്റ്റ് സ്ക്വയർ നമ്പേഴ്സ് എടുക്കണം സോ അതിന്റെ ടു ക്യൂബ് ടൈംസ് ത്രീ
Okay.
ടൈംസ് എ സ്ക്വയർഡ് ചെയ്ത് അത് ഇങ്ങനെ ചെയ്തപ്പോ 4056 ഡിവൈഡ് ബൈ 4 അത് 169 പിന്നെ സ്ക്വയർ ചെയ്തപ്പോ 13 എ ഈക്വൽസ് 13 കിട്ടിയത്.
That's good. Okay. നല്ലൊരു മെത്തേഡാണ്. അതൊന്നും പറഞ്ഞ ഓർമ്മ ഉണ്ടല്ലോ അല്ലേ? കറക്റ്റ് ആണ്. Now you got the value of A.
ഓക്കെ
Now work out the common LCM. Take the highest power.
അത് അത് just highest power എടുക്കുക. So 2 to the power 4 times 3 square times 13 to the power 3. So എനിക്ക് കിട്ടിയത് 316,368.
That's 27. Expand and simplify fully.
20.
First, we have to
So,
expand
sir,
to
നോക്കിയോ.
no, I will check that. X minus 2 x minus 2
Yeah,
is x square minus 7x plus 12 into x plus 8. So x square into x, which is x cube minus 7x square plus 12x plus 8x square minus 56x plus 96. Adding the like terms, we will get x cube plus x square minus 44x plus 96. That's correct.
അതാ കിട്ടിയത്.
Correct. So I mean, you are doing very good. Okay. But
Thank you,
but
sir.
പക്ഷേ ഇത് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരുന്ന ആ ഒരു ഓക്സ്ഫോർഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിനെക്കാട്ടി കുറച്ചൊന്ന് ലെവല് കുറവാണ്. അത്രയും ഹാർഡില്ല. ബട്ട് നല്ല ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. ഓക്കെ. ഈ ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഒക്കെ ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എന്തായാലും ഐ മീൻ 100 ഈസി ആയിട്ട് അടിക്കും. ഓക്കെ. ഓക്കെ. അമ്മ നല്ലപോലെ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട് ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഒക്കെ. ഓക്കെ. ഈ ഒരു ഇതിൽ ചെയ്താൽ മതി. ഈ ഒരു കോൺഫിഡൻസിൽ ചെയ്താൽ മതി. ഇനി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ ഉണ്ടോ അതുപോലത്തെ?
ഉണ്ട്, ഇനിയും ഉണ്ട് കുറെ ഇങ്ങനത്തെ പോലത്തെ ഇങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ട്.
അന്ന് എനിക്ക് അയച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്
അന്ന് ചെയ്തില്ല സർ. അന്ന് ഒരു ഇത് അയച്ചില്ല, പേപ്പർ 2. പിന്നെ നമ്മൾ അന്ന് ചെയ്തില്ല ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ 2. അതാണ് ഈ ഭയങ്കര ഹാർഡർ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഈ പേപ്പറാണ് ഹാർഡർ, പേപ്പർ 2 ഓർ പേപ്പർ 3 ആ? എനിക്ക് ജസ്റ്റ് ചോദിക്കാനാ സാർക്ക് എന്ന് തോന്നുന്നത്. അന്ന് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്തില്ല കുറെ മുമ്പ് AQA പേപ്പർ 2. ആ ചോദിക്കുന്നത് അതാണ്. ഇല്ല ഇല്ല, AQA അന്ന് നമ്മളൊരു പേപ്പർ ചെയ്തില്ല, ലൈക്ക് അന്ന്.
അതെനിക്ക് ഫീൽ ചെയ്തത് അന്ന് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്തതാണ് കുറച്ചും കൂടെ ഹാർഡ്. അന്ന് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്തതിൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിൽ ബെയറിങ്ങും അങ്ങനത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ട്.
അന്ന് ചെയ്ത ഓക്കെ. എന്നാ ഞാൻ പേപ്പർ 2 ഫുൾ സെൻഡ് ചെയ്തിരാ അന്നത്തെ.
ഇതില് നമുക്ക് അങ്ങനത്തെ വർക്ക്സ് ഒക്കെ കുറവാണ് എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു. ഇത് സെയിം തന്നെയല്ലേ? ബട്ട് ചെറിയൊരു വ്യത്യാസമുണ്ട്. നമ്മൾക്ക് പോർഷൻസ് എനിക്ക് മറ്റേതിൽ വേറെ പോർഷൻസ് ഉള്ളത് പോലെ ഇതില് അല്ല, എന്തായാലും കറക്റ്റ് ആണ്. പക്ഷെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ചെറിയ വ്യത്യാസമാണ്.
ഞാനൊരു വെബ്സൈറ്റ് സെൻഡ് ചെയ്തരാ സർ. ഇത് ഇതാണ് ഫിസിക്സ് ആൻഡ് മാത്സ് ട്യൂട്ടർ ആണ്. അതില് ഫുള്ള് മാത്സിന്റെ AQA പാസ് പേപ്പേഴ്സ് കിട്ടാം. AQA കേട്ടോ, അതെല്ലാം ഉണ്ട്. ആ ഫുൾ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ട് ഒരു വെബ്സൈറ്റ്. മാത്സ് ആൻഡ് ഫിസിക്സ്.
ഓക്കെ. എന്നാ ഞാൻ എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു ക്ലാസ് നമുക്ക് രാത്രി എഴുതാം.
ഞാനിത് സെൻഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടോ വെബ്സൈറ്റ്. AQA ആണ് കേട്ടോ. ഓണ്ട് പേപ്പർ 1 and 2 3 ഉണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ.
ഇപ്പം തന്നെ ക്ലാസ് എടുക്കുകയാണോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ രാത്രിയോ മതിയോ? മാം എന്തോ 1.5 hour ഇപ്പം മതി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടോ? ക്ലാസ് ബാക്കി എടുക്കണോ?
1.5 ഇപ്പൊ കഴിഞ്ഞ നമുക്ക് ഓക്കെ നൈറ്റ് ടൈം ആക്കാം.
നൈറ്റ് ആവുമ്പോൾ ബാക്കി എടുത്താൽ മതിയല്ല? ഓക്കെ. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ ഈ ടൈമിൽ ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കുക. ടയർഡ് ആയിട്ടെങ്കിൽ വേണ്ട.
എക്സാം May 30th. അത് നെക്സ്റ്റ് തേഴ്സ്ഡേ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് തേഴ്സ്ഡേ. 1 week ഉണ്ട്.
ഓക്കെ
എന്നാ സർ. ഓക്കെ.
Hello. So that's all about today's. Yeah, I will do three more questions till 20. So how many different okay, yeah. In a video game, players make their own character. They choose one of each from eight faces, four bodies, five hairstyles. How many different characters can be made? So it is easy. Just multiply 8 into 4 into 5, which gives 160. Okay. Two characters are made at random. What is the probability that they are exactly the same? So it is 1 by 160. How we got 1 by 160? So two characters are made at random. So I made one card. So to get the same card, I have to choose one from how many 160? One from 160. So the answer is 1 out of 160. So we can do this one. ABC are points to circle, center. जैसे chat आप कौन से एग्जाम के लिए पढ़ रहे हैं? So can you ask me in English? I don't know Hindi that much. Okay. So here so ABC are points on circles and draw. This is a tangent to circle. Show that angle ABO is to angle AC equal to 3 is to 1. So it is 28 degree. So we can say this angle is double of 22. That is 56 degree. And we know the angle made by the radius and the tangent. CD is a tangent. So this is 90 degree. It is 83. So remaining this angle is 7 degree. Okay. And one more thing we know that is so if this angle is 56 degree, this angle must be yeah 360 minus 56, that is 304 degree. And what will be about this angle? We can do that in two ways. Either we can add 7 plus 30 plus 28 plus x, which gives 360. That gives x plus 304 plus 28 plus 7, that is 339 equal to 360, which in fact gives x equal to 21 degree. So this angle is 21 degree. So angle ABO, that is 21 is to angle ACO, that is 7, which is simplified into 3 is to 1. And move to 19th one. Here is the plan of the floor and L-shaped room. All the length are in meters. So the area of the floor is 75 meters square. So that x square minus x minus 90 equals 0. I just mm, cut this shape into two like this. Okay. And now there's two triangles, rectangles there. So one having side x minus 5 and x plus 1. So the area is x minus 5 into, I will do that. So x minus 5 into x plus 1, which plus the area of this rectangle is 5 into x minus 2. 5 into x minus 2, which is gives 75. So simplifying, we will get x minus x into x, that is x square minus 5 plus 1, that is 4x minus 5 plus 5x minus 10 equal to 75. She gives x square minus x, not minus x, plus x minus 4x plus 5x, which gives plus x minus 15 equal to 75. Uh, Move this 15 to the right side, we will get x square plus x equal, yeah, we can do 75 here. That gives minus 15 minus 75, that is minus 90, which is equal to 0. Move to 90b. By factorizing x square plus x minus 90, work out the value of x. So x square plus x minus 90. How to factorize x square plus x minus 90? We can do one thing. Uh, uh, Two numbers, multiply, we will get 90, and add, we will get 1. So think about those two numbers. So for that, 90 can be written as 1 into 90, 2 into 45. What else we can say? 3 into 30. Yeah, 6 into 15. No, 9 into 10. Okay. Yeah, I already got the answer. 9 to 10. Here the difference is 1. So that satisfy our equation. We can do x square plus x minus 90 like this, x plus 10 into x minus 9, which gives x equal to either x equal to minus 10 or x equal to 9. Here, the length of a rectangle cannot be negative value, so the only possible value here is 9. So move to the 20th question. 244 invested in an account at a rate of compound interest. 1 year after the investment is 2496.96. So work out the difference. That is 2496.96 minus 2448, which gives what? 2496.96 minus 2448. That is 48.96. So the percentage increase is 48.96 divided by 2448. That is 2 degree, 2 percentage. Okay, 2 percentage. So here you have to multiply it with 100. We'll get 2 percentage. So how much is in the account for year after the investment? So in in compound interest, we know the equation, that is principal amount, that is 2448 into 1 plus the rate of interest, that is 1 plus 0.02. So this is 2% is 0.02 in decimal. So 1.02 whole raised to, what is the number of years? That is 4. So we will get 2448 into 1, you can say 1.02 whole raised to 4 raised to 4. That is 2649.8. Okay. So we can yeah, wind up here. Okay. So hope you are doing well, and yeah, if you need any assistance, you can just message me. I'm just randomly doing this in a snap. So this message must not be that understandable for you, but if you need more assistance, you can just message me, or yeah, else you can just mail me in this the mail that I given in the description. So that's all about today's stream. So have a nice day. Thank you. कैसे कैसे मिले